All right, we're ready to make our bottle opener. It's wood, and put our RST image on it. We have glue. You can also use Mod Podge and a brush. And we're going to cut the image out. As you know, the white is not going to print. Only the printed, the ink part will print. But you want to get it pretty straight so you can align it onto your substrate. So, you know it's mirror imaged. And we're going to brush the glue evenly onto the bottle opener. Give it a good coat without overdoing it. You just want enough and make it really even and smooth. Then you're going to take your image, plop it right down there, and squeegee it. Now you may have a little glue come out. That's okay, because we can just pick that off at the end. You want to squeegee it from the middle out just to get rid of all the air bubbles. Okay, we're going to let that dry for an hour, and then we're going to take it off with water. Okay, it's time to take off the RST. If you see any little white spots, although that's not on, there's a little white spot, that's just a dry spot. So once you get it all wet and you can see the image come through, then you can pull it off. And there we have it. You can just wipe it down. And if there's any glue left on it, you can wipe that off later. This glue comes right off. Okay, there we go. Little bottle opener. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.